So it's Saturday morning at about 6 o'clock, and I'm doing some listing. And I've been listing early in the morning lately, and this helps me a lot because I have a lot more energy in the morning rather than in the afternoon. So I've also been doing more listing on the weekends because I'm trying to build up a draft bank, and this should really help for the holidays coming up soon. All right, so now I'm at home after the bins, and here is Andrea Haber cable knit cardigan sweater. So just going through my haul and kind of sorting it, sorting things to what needs to get washed and which loads get washed right away. Here is a leather and wool coat by Red Sack Collection, and Red Sack Collection is a pretty expensive brand, so I thought I'd give that one a try. And in here is a vintage cachet leather, white leather jacket with studs on one shoulder, so pretty sure it's from the 80s, and it's in pretty good condition, so brought that one home. And here is an Yves Saint Laurent blazer, wool blazer. I think that's also vintage, and was able to pick up a few cashmere sweaters, and that one I think is J. Crew. So and here is a Free People sweater. I'm not a sweater, Free People dress. So yeah, and so I'm right now I'm sorting in my living area space, and I'm really enjoying living downstairs. It's the first time I've ever really lived alone. This is Current Air, and I believe this brand is sold at Anthropologie. So it's a nice sweater dress. It definitely needs a lot of work downstairs, but what I kind of do is I kind of pretend that I live somewhere, I don't know, like in the countryside of France, in a little old cottage. And it makes me feel like I can deal with, the imperfections of the space a lot more. So anyways, this is a blazer by the brand is Talia. And when I checked comps, comps looked really good. So yeah, eventually we will redo the floors. That's going to be a big project. And then after the floors are done, I can put in a very small kitchen, but everything is pretty convenient for me. And yeah, I picked up a bunch of sweaters, actually a bunch of J. Crew sweaters, so hopefully they will move. Yeah, and then I also found this Prada leather jacket here, and it's in really rough condition. I think I want to take it over to a dry cleaners, but here's the tag on the inside, and pretty sure this is authentic Prada. Has Prada on the zipper pull as well. So this area is right by my front door, and I'm just pulling up a bunch of weeds that are right there. And we're actually also working on the backyard and putting in like pavers to make a patio. So, that is another sort of a big project that's happening. And then I'm also, now I'm going to have, make some dinner. There's some leftover chicken. I think I had an egg and some spinach, and I make this low carb ramen, and it's pretty good. I'll have it every once in a while. So I just wanted to have a kind of a quick and easy dinner, and the tacos for lunch were really, really yummy and pretty filling. So I don't know, I just felt like ramen would be perfect for today. So pretty busy Saturday. Since I get up at about 5:30, I like to get all my stuff done in the afternoon, and then I can just really rest. So, and oh, there's Kelsey. Yeah, and sometimes we eat together, and sometimes we just do our own things. But I do have to cook upstairs in the upstairs kitchen. So, quick and easy dinner. And then after this, I'll probably just relax, and then maybe watch some TV. And then tomorrow, is another day, and I wake up pretty early so that I can go to my taiko class and also sourcing at the bins. So, and not really sure what else I need to do for Sunday, but I do, try to get my listings done when I first wake up, and then I go sourcing to my drumming class, and then we'll see what happens, later in the afternoon.
You do that?
Absolutely.
You know, my
Oh,
mom
TV time,
she
huh?
gets to sit on Santa's lap. I always felt so weird. I'd be like, "Hi."
There she is. Hey there. You hungry? Is that why you're here? Is it time for your breakfast?
Did you get to the carnival with your grandson?
No, he hasn't gone to a birthday party.
Oh, we had to go to the party. You can only get help from the family.
Yeah, you found a lot of good stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Bueno.
Bueno. Mucho bueno. I like this one. This?
I'm children's class.
Yeah, right? Bless you.
It was just dust. Nothing.
No, I hear you. Bins dust.
I told just our friends,
Yes.
look at this. Look at that precio. Look at the spider, the very bueno.
It's silk.
I don't know, but
Silk.
really?
Oh, Ellie Tahari. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Take a very nice farm. Beautiful.
Can we see it?
Yeah.
Eyes open, eyes.
You found a nice one.
You know how
I'm gonna fold it very nicely for
Oh,
you.
you see?
Okay? Yeah.
My
See? There you go. Which? Oh,
Over here.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Tell the people no touch, okay? No touch.
No touch.
Yes. She slipped it in her back pocket.
Ah, right.
No.
I saw her do it.
Don't even go close to my back.
No touch. No touch.
If we see anybody around my back, I'm gonna touch you.
Yeah. Start throwing punches. make something
Too late.
for
She's
dinner.
eating it.
And you're eating yours, but you have
It's a
soup.
bite.
Soup. Yum.
So.
Ariel, I hear you, girly. Yep. So $48. Offer. I'm gonna see if I can just copy. I want to just double check comps on this. Oh, there's my little shirt there. So 49. Okay. And then 1,000. So it is 100%. 15. Ooh, low. It is pretty low. Dang it. Yeah, let's see that one. This one is 29. I'll put it down. Sold October 22nd. Yes. So that's just how many days ago? Oh, today. It sold for $29.88. Just today. Okay, I'm gonna go. I was feeling like about 28, 29. My counter offer is, I'm gonna say 29. Yeah, that's it. Poshmark. I think I sold 2. All right, so I think I sold these 2. Yeah, so anyways, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe and like the video, and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, until the next one, take care. Bye-bye.